You go outside to refresh yourself, to enjoy the views, the fresh air on your face, spending time with friends and the people you love, to push yourself outside your comfort zone, to train your body. You pass on your love of the outdoors to the next generation. You purchase the right tools and equipment for your trips to prepare for your adventures. You need to add wilderness first aid training to your wheelhouse to protect your family, your friends, your group, and yourself in the outdoors. This course is made for you. You'll enjoy a complete wilderness first aid course with all the presentations, demonstrations, and downloadable handouts wherever you are at your own pace without having to give up a weekend inside a classroom. The courses will teach you how to identify and treat illnesses and injuries when EMS is not minutes away. The course will walk you step by step through the entire patient care process. You'll practice your skills and scenarios during the course. When you complete the course, you'll have the knowledge and the skills to respond to medical emergencies in the outdoors. Be trained, be prepared, be someone's hero.